Hello guys, today we'll be exploding over 30,000 TNT. Wait, hold up. Is that a pig family? Pigs live in this jungle. I must harvest their species. Die, pig jungle! Die! 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 Please subscribe to Sheepay! Die, forest! Die! 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 Okay guys, for this video, I'm going to explode over 30,000 TNT. And we're going to see if it crashes the server. Or not the server. Yeah, the server. If it does, it probably will because my laptop's not the best. But this should be a fun experience. Let's do this. All I have to do is break the grass block under me and the TNT will set off. Let's do this. Sheep for sheep. So bad. I'm just gonna watch. My screen's not even moving. You can see my face a little. Yo, imagine if you were actually in this in real life. The world would probably like it too. Okay. I really hope no sheeps die in this, because I don't want sheeps to die from this. But I hope there's some cows. And some pigs. Yeah, pigs are bad. Pigs are absolute trash, Technoblade. Sheep rule. Yo, my screen hasn't moved in like 20 seconds. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm gonna stop the video at about like the 5-minute mark. But this is satisfying. Look at all the TNT in the air. Yo, this has to get rid of the my server's gonna crash. If it doesn't, then or my Minecraft's gonna get out. Yeah, I think it might have triggered it. I'm surprised my recording hasn't shut off yet, but oh yeah, I've definitely crashed this server. There's no way. I'm just flying in the air. Like nothing's happening. That's because sheep are cool. Yes, okay. I'm not even sure protection. Like I once tried this out on my I once tried this out on my friend's laptop. Cause it's the new Alienware, and I put on protection 200 armor, netherite armor. Cause you could access that with command blocks, but yeah, I tried that out. I exploded the TNT. It wasn't as laggy as this, and I died. So if Minecraft was realistic, then it would be rated R with the TNT. Yo, am I gonna move? What? I can't even hear anything. This is intense. Okay, okay. You got a little stuff. Yo, look at the stuff on the bottom left. Yo. Okay. I just look like I'm one of those movies jumping out of like some super cool stuff. You know, guys, I'm probably just gonna end the video here. Please hit the subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye, little sheeps. Oh yeah, this is the before. And after. Please subscribe to Sheepy, subscribe to Zox, and watch our next video. Goodbye.